this is how we fill our humidifier. We unplug the cord, and then we just take the top off and put it on the side. This allows us to actually see how much is being filled. There is a water line that you're not supposed to fill it past, but you can see that from the inside as well. You can see that from the inside as well, so you can easily figure out how to do that. It just pops on and off. You're also able to lift this and put water in through here. However, we just find that it's much easier to sort of set this sideways in order to put it on. All of these can move back and forth. They all pop off. So does this tree here if you had wanted to. The entire section here pops off so you can see what the atomizer is doing as well. So if you wanted to clean all of these, it's really, really simple. And then it just moves really well. So it's very, very light, just some plastic. Plugs in at the back. Here's the cord. We just try to unplug it. And then to turn it on, it's actually just swiping across. Again, it's not plugged in. And then you get the screen. There's an option for Fahrenheit. It sort of looks like, but I don't know how to turn that on. I don't think you can. And it tells you, we keep it on all night. But generally what we do is we don't trust the humidity output that's on there, so we just set it and then look at a humidistat. So I'm not sure if that's actually accurate, but for us, that's not what we care about in this. We care about the super large capacity, and we're gonna buy another one. Definitely recommend.
Wow, this humidifier is amazing. It is so big for an extra large room, and it's so easy to use. It has these wheels, you can roll it around, and then the fill tank is right back here. It's so easy to just pour in your water to the pitcher, and this is gonna last so long without having to refill it constantly for large rooms. Also got this really nice display on the front. You can set a timer, you can do an interval mist, you can do so many things with this. I love it so far.